We don't know if this Audi S4 is stuck or not. That V8 4.2 engine may not be stuck. They're supposed to produce only 344 brake horsepower. It's a common thing to know with cars that have had over 100,000 miles, the power reduces. This build time would be around 310 brake horsepower because it's lost its power. Now this car on the stats, it's not the quickest car, but we have done a quicker time with that without even trying. The car just seems to be a lot faster than stock. Keep watching this video because at the end of the video we're going to try and contact the previous owner who owned this car and ask him if this car was stock or tuned. So now we're going to go for a POV drive. It's time that we drive it and see what it's really like to drive, putting our foot down. We just want to check the new clutches inside the S4. Touching the gearbox.
That's a lot smoother than before.
It's a lot smoother now.
Way smoother than before. It was shaking before like that.
I know, crazy, isn't it? You guys are probably thinking now, like, bang, like it's dead. But look at it now. It's actually driving a lot better than before. It honestly feels like a brand new car now. The way the clutch just pulls right now. You guys were ruthless in the comment section. You guys are telling me engine's blown up and all sorts. Keep the comments coming because this car can only get better. Pull right now. Look at that. It's literally... Obviously I'm not driving it super crazy, but need to still do the miles to make sure the clutch is running. So far so good.
It's proper responsive.
See that?
That's very responsive. 500
miles, we can start sending the car again. And this time not blow the flywheel up. Like I said, a lot of people don't know, but I think this car is capable of about 13 seconds. We could even try and get this in 12 seconds. There's a few people that said that this car is not stock, so we do need to get this checked.
Stage 2.
Yeah, definitely.
See what we can push.
Definitely. What we did find out is, obviously in the video which you guys have seen, when we got the exhausts out, the cats have been gutted. So the person who has done that before, they knew what they were doing, and to do that the car would basically be in limp mode, but it's not in limp mode. So that's why we think that this car is not stock now. These cars stock, they do about 14.8 seconds of a quarter mile. And on that Santa Pod run, we got about 14.2. That's with the traction control, about me not descending. And that comes to show that this car might not be stock. There you go.
That gets off good.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. It? That's his low revs. It gradually goes faster.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, have I killed that bird? Whew, that was close. But lads, it's good to have the car back on the road. We're on a roll right now. Just keep making content. Bang! Jeez.
Quick.
I told you, bro.
Legal speed limits though.
Yeah, of course. I do love this car. You know one thing about the car, if you realise, when you gas it, that the car shakes.
Yeah.
I need to calm down, let this clutch run in. Otherwise I'll blow the clutch up again. Like I said, these flywheels are not cheap. They're over $1,000. I didn't want to go for a racing clutch. I know it's a lot cheaper, but you just can't drive in a racing clutch. You can't daily. Plus, if we're going to be giving this car away, the person that wins it, to be able to enjoy the car, drive for what it is. And then it's nice and drivable. It's soft. It's a walk in the park. I don't want this car to lose that luxury feeling. A few more rips in the car, see what it's like with the new clutch. Bam. Put you back in the seat, doesn't it?
It really does, man. I love that feeling.
Like I said, man, with the old clutch, this one's a lot more like grippy now. I told you, bro. It's not slow. It's not slow. That's why I want to race the S3 with this.
It's responsive. The moment you step on it, it goes like that.
It's mad, isn't it? This car.
So you have to wait on boost. You have to wait on boost.
Crazy, isn't it? Yeah. For such a big car as well. S4 is back. Cheers, mate. Bam. Brand new now. I'm just so glad we got it back on the road. I thought gearbox broke. It's just a flywheel and clutch. Not saying that it was an easy fix. And I got a lot more bills, a lot more projects to come. So just stay tuned, guys. The support is real. Sorry, man. Thank you, man. Just think how this car would sound if it was straight piped. This is crazy. What more can we do to the car? We need to like make the choices. You guys already know that we're going to be changing the colour of the car now. Well, obviously you guys still got to let us know what colour it could be. More pull-ups to come. But this car, I'm telling you guys, man, love this car to bits. But yeah guys, that is literally the S4 back on the road, but I can't even explain to you how good this car feels now. It feels absolutely madness. Oh man, this car is too good. Let's head back to the HQ. This car is just unstoppable. The V8's still alive, don't worry guys. It was just a false alarm. Obviously we've done over 500 miles, up to 1,000 miles. Drank a lot of petrol, but it was worth it for the S4. Right guys, that was a crazy drive in the Audi S4. And the biggest thing I didn't mention is if this car has not been looked after, the common issues is oil all over the engine brake. On the rocker cover, the gasket has been changed. We drove the car, we've done over a couple of 1,000 miles. The oil just doesn't seem to go low. So it seems to me with all the most common issues with the 4.2 V8 platform, this has got zero issues. So whoever had this before has like really looked after that Audi S4, and that's why we really need to get in contact with the previous owner, because he's done a terrific job in this car and it's just faultless. And so whoever had it before must have spent a lot of money keeping this in good condition. So the previous owner's little brother and his father recognized the Audi S4, and so they reached out to us and they have confirmed that this Audi S4 is in fact tuned and it's been well looked after and it was far from stock. So this is great news for us, and it's all starting to make sense as to why the S4 is so quick. And in the upcoming videos, we can get the S4 dyno to see how much BHP it truly has. The next mod is going to be wrapping the car. Stay tuned on this one. It's going to be an absolute banger. We've never ever done it before, but it's going to be a good experience, so stay tuned on it. Comment down below what car we should. We've got a Toyota Sora, we've got an Audi S3, we've got a Civic Type R. And see what this car does against them with a new clutch, and find out if this car really is tuned or stock. Let me know in the comments down below guys, but that don't feel slow at all. So if you guys enjoyed that video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new, if you want to stay tuned with the S4 project, hit the bell notification button at the top, and drop a comment if you guys want to see more on the S4 build. Until next time guys, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.